Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to DEIP'S. In this tutorial, I will show you some unique process to editing your photos. And my dear, this video is gonna be so helpful for you guys. Okay, so no more waste your time, let's get started. Okay, here I am in Lightroom. And before I start the tutorial, I want to tell you one thing, that first we will edit the background of this image to make it more attractive, and then we will edit the whole picture. Okay, so let's begin with the cropping section. I am cropping this image to the Instagram ratio of 4:3. Now let's jump into the main parts of this editing process and select the masking tool, then create masks to select the background of this image with the help of the brush tool. Here you can see the three tools on the left side of the screen. Of these three tools, the first one is used to control to the size of the brush, and the second one is used to control to the feather of the brush, and the last one is used to control to the flow of the brush. You can select these settings according to your image. Now select only the subjects or model with the brush tools, because it is easier to do than the select to the background. Okay, I am doing it very quickly. And remember one thing, that the better you can do it, the better result you will get it on your image. Hopefully you will do it very carefully. Now inverse it and choose the eraser to erase those parts which are selected automatically. It almost done. So now let's select the light and exposure increase to 1.0 AV. And 100 for the contrast. And highlights increase to +36. And I will decrease shadows to -14. And whites to 16. And I will decrease the blacks to -15. You will do these settings according to your image. Now it's done. Let's jump into the colors tool. And temperature increase to 20. Into +12 and 36 for the shadows. Now it's done. You can see the before and after of this image. Look the background, it's really looking awesome. If you like these tricks, then please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also you can subscribe to our channel to get more informative Lightroom tutorial like this. Hope you already did it. Okay, let's adjust the lights of the whole image, and exposure increase to 0.20 AV and contrast increase to 18 and highlights to 10, and for the shadows and whites to +14 and -14. Also decrease the blacks to -12. Now it's time to color grade. So for this image I will increase the vibrance and saturation to 12/14. Let's go to the color panel. First select the red color and increase hue, saturation and luminance to 16, 10 and +14. Next choose the orange color and increase its saturation and luminance to +2 and +8. Now select the green color and decrease hue and saturation to -100 and -72. And increase its luminance to 47. And now select aqua and decrease its hue to -100 and saturation increase to 100 and decrease its luminance to -16. Now choose the yellow color and decrease its hue to around to -75 to 80. And saturation to -9. And also decrease its luminance to -12. And now you can see the before and after of this image. It's looking so beautiful, guys. To further enhance the color of this image, I will go to the preset section and from there select modern 07 and move it to setting to 118. And here we are almost finished our editing process. We just have to put some details on this image. For that, first we will go to the details tool and reduce texture and clarity to -12 and -10. Now select the effect tool. To get the focus on the model, I will increase the sharpening to 6 and increase the masking to 50. And then I will increase the noise reduction to 12. And also I will increase the color noise reduction to 18. And now it's done our editing process. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful for you, then please like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates me to create more awesome presets and tutorials like this. Thank you. Let's see you in the next video. Goodbye. Keep creating.